Hi buddies! Kamusta? This is Dessa and welcome back to my channel. So pag-usapan naman natin ang concatenate formula. Basically, sa concatenate formula, pagdudugtungin lang natin ang iba't ibang cells or values sa sheet natin. This will make your data easy to comprehend for users. So mas maintindihan siya, mas organized, and overall, you have a better data for analysis. And by doing this, you will need other characters in between. So you can use space, comma, semicolon, at iba pa. Alright, let's try. So we have our data here, names, age, email address, and contact number. So gawin muna natin tong full name. Alright? So to use, equal sign, concat, first name, comma, and then the last name. So kung makita nyo, dikit lang talaga siya, the first name and the last name. So update natin to, add natin ang space in between para mas maintindihan siya. So quotation mark, space, quotation mark, and then the comma. There you go. You can also use the ampersand. So equal sign, tas diretso ka na sa values mo. So first name, ampersand, quotation mark, space, quotation mark, ampersand, and then the last name. There you go. Alright, so gawin naman natin ang age and name. So let's use equal sign, concat, the age, comma, lagyan natin ng another comma, and then space, space, and then the full name. Alright, so let's use the ampersand method. So diretso ka na sa age, ampersand, comma, ampersand, space, ampersand, and the full name. Alright. Alright, so try naman natin tong billing details. So, may name siya, email address, and contact number. So, para magka-line break tayo, lagyan natin siya ng character 10 or char 10 sa formula. Alright, so, equal sign, concat, the first name, comma, char 10, and then the contact number, comma, char 10, and then the email address. Right. So, to use naman the ampersand method, diretso ka na sa name, and then ampersand, char 10, ampersand, the contact number, ampersand, char 10 ulit for the line break, and then the last is the email address. Alright, that's it. Sana may natutunan kayo. Thank you for watching.